Next is the verse section for Dakota. 1, 2, 3, 4. Two, three, four. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so this part slowed down. We start off on the high E string, playing fret 3 and fret 5. And the rhythm goes like this. So that's 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 5. Next, you go on the B string and the E string. So it's played fret 1 on the B string and fret 3 and open string on the E string. And that sounds like this. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 3, 0. And again. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 3, 0. The next bar is quite similar, but this time there's a rest at the start, so you play 2 less notes. And it sounds like this. 2, 3, 4, 1. So that again, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, rest. Okay, bear in mind that at the start of the verse there is a 1 bar rest, and at the end of the verse there's a 1 bar rest. You also have repeats. Okay, so the whole verse played now. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 5, 2, 3, 4, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 3, 0, 2, 3, 4, rest. 1, 1, 1, 1, 3, 0, 2, 3, 4, rest. 2, 3, 4. And then you repeat the whole section. Okay, that's the verse done.